Hi there. Here's an easy method to install your rear rack on an ETX 8R or a 3R. Here's the rack. I'm going to set it down on the ground. What you'll need is 3 screws and washers and your 4mm hex wrench. I'm going to rotate this rack up here so that the legs of the rack fit over top of the dropouts. And you can align this and slide a screw right in and get it started with your fingers. On that side, a screw on this side, two screws are started down here at the base. Now I'm going to take this tab up here and I'm going to bend it up a little bit, rotate it over, align it with that screw hole right there, start the 3rd screw up here, and then tighten each of these up with your 4mm Allen wrench. Don't over tighten these, just snug them up. There. Snug that one. This one on this side. Rear rack is attached. It's that simple. See you next time.